Friday players will have a chance to balance out the leaderboard. Round 1 scoring at the Buick Invitational greatly favored those starting on the north course, but watch out because weather is brewing.
Welcome to PGA Tour Today, brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants.
Camilo Villegas took advantage of the north course at Torrey Pines Thursday. The two-time PGA Tour winner leads by 3 entering the second round, but the south course, as expected, is playing a couple shots harder and sunshine isn't in the forecast. Hello, I'm Wynn McMurray. Villegas might have gotten the better draw this week, starting out low at the north course with 8 birdies and an eagle against just 1 bogey. And now he's ready to protect his position Friday on the south. The Colombian missed the cut at last week's FBR Open, but enters Friday off a 9 under 63, which tied his career low on tour. Here's the career numbers he brings into round 2. A year ago, the 27-year-old tied for 13th. Before that, 2 missed cuts. In 2007, he followed his first round 67 at the north with a 75 at the south. 2 previous times, Villegas has led entering round 2. He converted his most recent 18-hole lead into his first victory, the 2008 BMW Championship. Bands of storms started to form over the Pacific Thursday afternoon. A 70% chance of heavy rain and possible thunderstorms are forecast for Friday and Saturday.
I was hoping for that weather to stay away from us, and fortunate enough it did, but I know it's coming. So tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. It's going to be a challenge, and we just got to be up for it.
Davis Love III, who won the final event of the 2008 season, is tied for 2nd entering round 2. He hits the more difficult track after a 6 under 66 put him into position.
Well, you want to get off to a good start on the north for sure, because that's easier to score. But if you're playing well, you can handle both of them, and it doesn't really shake out, until you play both courses and see how everybody's doing. But always nice to get off to a good start no matter what. Love
captured the 1996 Buick Invitational title. However, the only player in the field who has won at Torrey in the last decade is Phil Mickelson. The 3-time winner bounced back on the south course Thursday after missing the cut last week. Mickelson enters the second round off a 2 under 70, but is playing the easier north course Friday. Of the 51 players under par entering round 2, 38 of them started on the north. Padraig Harrington was one of them, but the 3-time major champion needs to shake off the rust as he heads into day 2. He began his 2009 season Thursday with a 1 under 71 and will be battling on the south course Friday. Brian Katrick of the PGA Tour Network on Sirius XM Radio shares his view from inside the ropes.
Wynn, thanks. I think everybody knew that the north course was going to play easier than the south course. It always does. And everybody knew that the leader was going to come off of the north course because in the first round of the Buick Invitational, he always does. How good was that round for Camilo Villegas? Well, it was pretty good, coming off a disappointing missed cut last week at the FBR Open. But one thing we didn't know that was going to happen Thursday, the rain. We didn't know that it was coming as early, and believe it or not, it is going to be an even bigger story on Friday. It's supposed to rain all night long, heavy stuff coming down on Friday, and potentially some thunderstorms on Saturday. So here we are in paradise, perfect scoring conditions. It is raining sideways and a little chill in the air. Players didn't get what they bargained for in the opening round. They're going to struggle a little more in round number 2. Hopefully the forecasts are wrong and we get back to sunny San Diego. Don't miss our air times for the second round on the PGA Tour Network, noon to 6 Eastern Time. Win?
Thanks, Brian. You can also catch the action from round 2 on Golf Channel starting at 3 p.m. Eastern.
PGA Tour Today is brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants, delivering new thinking for a changing world.